Good morning, happy Thursday. This is our math lesson for Thursday, April 2nd. Today we will be boxing the unknown in our equation. And I'll explain a little bit more what that means after we do our number practice, saying it, and then writing it in our composition book. So we are going to do our jumping jacks for our movement break to 20 to practice our numbers 1 through 20, and then we will practice writing them in our composition book. So stand up, please, wherever you are. I would like you to shout each number as you do the jumping jack. We'll stop at 10 for a little break, and then we will continue to 20. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little break. All right, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, guys. Now in our composition book, we will practice writing 1 through 20. So grab your composition book, grab a pencil, and in your number practice page, you are going to find the next line and do our date for today. So our date is 4/2/20. So that's for April 2nd, 2020. So write 4-2-20, which is 20. So go ahead and write that, and then you're going to do your number practice 1 through 20. You can pause this video as you complete this, and then you can play the video when you're ready. All right, guys, welcome back. As I explained in the beginning, we will be boxing the unknown in our equation. What does that mean? I want to know what unknown means. This is a key word in our lesson today. The unknown. I think of unknown. I think of the popular movie Frozen. All of my kiddos know the song Into the Unknown. I want you to think about what that word unknown means. You can use that movie as a reference to figure out what that word might mean. The song Into the Unknown. What does unknown mean? Think about that. And if there's someone around you, tell them what you think unknown means. Unknown is what we do not know. So when they're singing Into the Unknown in Frozen, it's about the forest, right? What they don't know about the forest. So the unknown is, in our equation, what we don't know. So if we know two parts of our equation, we know both parts. So we could know 3 plus 2. We don't know what that equals. We don't know what the total is. So that's the unknown. So today we will be boxing it. Maybe explain just like a little square, a box around our unknown until we solve that. So what we're going to do before we start our problem, I would like you to close your eyes, and I'm going to tell you a story, and I want you just to picture that story in your head. And then when we open our eyes again, we will do the problem together. So close your eyes. I want you to picture that you are at a park. And at that park, there are 5 dogs playing. So right now, picture those 5 dogs playing. As those 5 dogs are playing, 2 more dogs come up and they want to play with the dogs. So think about what that might look like. And think about how many dogs are all together playing now. Great job, guys. So you can open your eyes. That's going to help us with our first problem on the board. So here I have my 5 dogs. Can you count those with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 dogs right here. How many dogs did I say came up next? How many dogs wanted to play with these 5 dogs? Shout it out. Did you say 2? Great job. So 2 more dogs came along. They wanted to play fetch with the 5 dogs. So we have, what number again? 2. Great job. Write my 2 here. So we know 1 part and 2 parts of the equation. We're going to put that right down here because we know those parts. So let's just put that right into our equation so we don't forget them. So I know my parts go on this side of the equation, right? Parts that go together go on the part side that there are 2 parts. So I know 2 plus 5 equals, I don't know what 2 plus 5 equals yet. So that is called the what? The unknown. Great job. So this is going to be my unknown. So what did we say we were going to put around our unknown? A box. So right now I'm going to put a box in there because I don't know the unknown yet. I need to figure out the unknown. I want you to come up with an idea of how we're going to figure out that unknown. Think of one way that we have been learning how we can figure out the unknown in this problem. Take a few seconds, think about that, tell someone around you one way we can figure out what our unknown is going to be, what our total number of dogs is going to be. All right, great job, guys. We have two ways we can do this right now. We could either count up the total number of dogs, or we can use our math hands, right? Remember 0? We can put our 2 parts on our hand, right? So I can put 1 part and 2 parts. So we're going to do it both ways, and we can check to make sure we have the right answer. Because if we do it both ways and we get the same number, that means we have the right answer, okay? So we're going to start by counting all of the dogs together. So part 1 and part 2. So with me, count all of the dogs that are playing together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I counted and I got 7. I'm going to put that number right up here because I got 7 with the first way that we checked our problem. So now I'm going to use my math hands. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first part. I'm going to put 5 fingers up on my first part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now I'd like you to put your 5 up in the air. And with your other math hand, I want you to put the second number on your fingers. 1, 2. Is this what you have? So let's count our fingers all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 for that one. So I'm going to put this up here. Did we get the same number? Did we get 2 7s? So that has to mean our answer is 7. So 7 is called our unknown. And we said we were going to be boxing the unknown in our equations. And our unknown is boxed. Because we knew 2 and we knew 5. We needed to figure out the total, what we did not know, our unknown. So we know 7 equals, remember our equal sign, 2 plus 5. Great job, guys. Now I would like you to figure out where my numbers are going to go in my number bond. Because we want to continue to practice this number bond so that we are super, super strong with our number bond. So right now, shout out what number is going to go up here. Shout it out. 7. Great job. 7 will go up here. Remember, 7 goes up here because it's the circle that's by itself. The total will go in the circle that is by itself. All right, and then if I have the 7 up here, I know I can put my 2 and my 5 here because 7 can be broken down into 2